Welcome to the American University in Baghdad, a premier institution where academic excellence meets cultural diversity. As a professor of English at the English Academy, I'm honored to contribute to an environment that prioritizes both intellectual growth and the maintenance of pristine facilities. Our campus is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also a testament to our commitment to providing an optimal learning environment. Our students' body is a tapestry of talent drawn from every corner of Iraq and beyond. Each individual brings a unique perspective, creating a vibrant and stimulating academic atmosphere. The diversity of our student population is one of our greatest strengths, fostering an environment of mutual respect and cultural exchange. Our faculty members are the epitome of professionalism and dedication. With advanced degrees and extensive experience,
Hi, Lena. How are
our
you?
professors are not only educators, but mentors who are deeply invested in the success of their students. Each class, conducted in English, is designed to challenge and inspire, preparing students for the complexities of the global landscape. One of the cornerstones of our university is the emphasis on English proficiency. The ability to communicate effectively in English is not just a skill, but a necessity in today's interconnected world. At the American University in Baghdad, we ensure that our students are well equipped
Hi.
with the language
Good morning.
skills required to excel
How are
in
you?
international arenas. As a former alumnus of a prestigious university in the United States, has profoundly shaped my approach to teaching. I bring a wealth of experience and a global perspective to my role here, aiming to empower students with the knowledge and confidence they need to pursue their dreams. Through interactive and engaging lessons, I strive to cultivate critical thinking and foster a passion for lifelong learning. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the classroom. We boast a wide array of extracurricular activities that contribute to the holistic development of our students, from cultural events and academic competitions to sports and community service. Our clean and vibrant campus, coupled with a talented student body and professional faculty, creates a truly unparalleled educational experience. Join us on this transformative journey, and together we will shape the future leaders of Iraq and the world. We look forward to welcoming you to the American University in Baghdad, where your future begins. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.
وهذه أطيب أمريكانو من أخونا السوري العزيز. أمريكانو مو؟ عاشت إيدك.